Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. And today I'm going to teach you how to delete watch videos on Facebook. First is we open our Facebook account, and on the upper right corner we click the three lines. Scroll down, find Settings and Privacy under Help and Support. Click Settings. Let's scroll down and look for Activity Log under Your Information. Activity log, and in here we can see every activities we did with our Facebook account. You may want to click on the arrow pointing downwards beside logged actions and other activity. And in here we have a lot of options. We click on videos you have watched. And once we are here, you can view all the videos you've watched during your time in Facebook. We can delete videos one by one by pressing the button right here, the three buttons, and then we click the delete. Or you can even clear your watch history by clicking this, clear video watch history, and then click clear. And then your video will all be deleted all at once. And that's how you delete watch videos on Facebook. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.